This is pretty unbelievable. Just over the road, over the creek, the bridge. 23 years. Lived here in Port Douglas, never seen anything like it. This is unbelievable. You look at the kids down there having a swim. This is pretty much insane. Seriously, we have not seen this much rain in 20 odd years. Look at that. Look at that. There is Maddie's trailer in the background there. Looks like it's going to get swept away. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. Welcome to Port Gardens, Ulysses Avenue. I've never seen this one go over before. You wouldn't even tell that there is actually a creek about 8 meters away from where I'm standing, but everything looks like it's just like a river running through. There is the bridge there. That's where, if you look at those railings, that's where the catchment is, and you can hardly see anything. It's just unbelievable. Insane. Insane. Well, there it is. That's the tropics. Welcome to the tropics. I'm going to go in a little bit of a venture. I've never done this before. I'm struggling to walk on the grass. It's about like 20-30 centimeters water, and I'm standing on the grass side of the house above the road. So if you're looking at least half a meter of water, there's people kayaking in the middle of the street with tubes and kayaks. That would be Broga Street. It's unbelievable. Unbelievable. This is insane. Insane. We're going back into the house now, wading through. As you can see, rain everywhere. Oh.